So let's make a red rose. For that you have to draw 4 circles and then cut it off. Now fold it thrice and give a petal shape and then cut it off. So in this way we are going to make 4 flowers. Now watch this step carefully. We will remove 1 petal from first flower, 2 petal from second flower, 3 petal from third flower and completely half, like 4 petals from fourth flower. So as we have removed 3 petals from the third flower, we will take that. So totally there would be 6 flowers on the floor. Now we are going to join all the flowers by using glue. Add your flower head to the stem and that's it, your beautiful rose flower is ready. So I have made many flower videos, you can check that out in our channel.